In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert or add image in a video using Clipchamp. Open your project in Clipchamp and click Import Media. Select the image you want to add, then drag your video onto the timeline. Next, drag the image onto a track above the video track. This will place the image over your video. To position the image, click and drag it in the preview window. To resize it, drag the corner handles until it reaches the size you want. You can control how long the image appears by dragging the edges of the image clip on the timeline. Extend the clip to keep it visible longer or shorten it to reduce the display time. If you want to customize the image further, select the image clip and use the editing options available. You can reposition it in the preview window, resize it using the corner handles, apply fade in or fade out using the fade controls, or choose effects and filters from the editing panel. You can also animate the image by applying effects such as zoom or slow movement if those options are available. If you're adding a logo or watermark, place the logo image on the track above the video, resize it to a corner of the screen, and extend the image clip so it matches the full length of your video. This keeps the logo visible throughout the entire video. If you want to display a full screen image, place the image on the timeline and resize it so it covers the entire preview area. Adjust the duration by dragging the clip edges on the timeline. You can also add transitions before and after the image if needed. Once everything is positioned and timed correctly, review your video to make sure the image appears where and when you want it. Thank you for watching the video.